begins. Welcome to Pennsylvania.
going on, adventure hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, wrapping up day number 3 of the Mid-Atlantic BDR. Started this morning. We're in Mooresfield, West Virginia. Yeah, into section 3. We scooted up the road, got into Maryland. Had never been to Maryland. Maryland was a cool place. I like Maryland a lot. Paid my 50-cent toll at the toll bridge to the toll, or to the troll. No, she was a nice lady actually. But I paid that, which was very unique and different. And then I took the bypass, as I told you. Yeah, so I skipped that. I'm not a big one to look at museums and history and such. I respect it. It doesn't fancy me, especially on this trip. So I skipped that stuff, took the bypass, cut across. I don't know how much that shaved off, but it put me right on to from 4 to 5. I was planning really today to stop at 5, but essentially I just kept hammering it, and I got to the end of 5 at 1 o'clock today, and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and see how far into 6 I get. And sure enough, man, I completed 6. So what that says to me is section 3 was no joke. And I finished 3 sections to just 1 section of section 3. So 4, 5, and 6 in the same amount of time I did section 3. My recommendation, as of right now, I have not done 7, 8, and 9 yet, is hit 3, hit 2, hit 1, hang out in Damascus. We call it a day. But that's just me right now. Let me get these other 3 sections in, and I'll give you my whole outlook on the Mid-Atlantic BDR after that. All right, hooligans, it's time for me to get to camp. You guys stay savvy, and I'll see you out on the trails. Peace.